Please do check out the latest offers from the link below. SleepyPod Air is a revolutionary carrier that redefines in-cabin pet travel. Air adapts to the various underseat storage requirements set by different airlines while providing maximum comfort for your jet-set pet. Worrying about buying a carrier that will not fit under a plane seat is a thing of the past. Our patent-pending folding system allows pets to travel in the largest space possible while the airplane is in the air. An average customer rating of 4 stars makes this an incredible item. When the captain says you can recline your seat, rotate the SleepyPod Air so it is between your feet and expand the end so both you and your little friend can stretch out comfortably for the duration of the flight. Please do check out the latest offers from the link below. Thank you for watching.